Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. It's just a little something I wanted to just go over with you all, and I think it's, to some people it might be confusing or they might not understand. And the one thing it is the payroll tax deferral. And you know, a lot of people might not think that you have to pay that back, but you do. This will not help you. It will not help you at all. If you take this, you will have to pay it back at one time. So be careful. But I'm going to read a little something. I'm going to read a couple articles to you, and I'll explain a little more to you. But this is not good at all, guys. This payroll tax deferral, this is not good. You will have to pay it back. It's not free, and like I said, you will have to pay it back. Now, like it says, many employers and federal agencies are either opting out of President Trump's payroll tax holiday or cautioning their employees that the additional money in their paychecks might have to be paid back. Now, they're going to get the rude awakening. Now, oh my goodness, I have to pay this back? Yeah, you will. You will have to pay this back. Now, President of the National Treasury Employees Union, his members are all federal employees. Now, he's urging all of them not to spend the extra money in their paychecks as a result of President Trump's payroll tax deferral. Now, the real concern is that the government has not provided much of an explanation on what's going on with this. So, the payroll tax cut deferral kicked in this week. The deferral was a part of President Trump's executive orders to provide financial relief during the pandemic. The president issued a number of executive orders after congressional Democrats and White House officials failed to come to terms on a stimulus package. Now, the payroll tax cut holiday allows employers to defer workers' payroll taxes only until 2021. Now, from Virginia, it said, it said many employers are choosing not to participate out of concern. Their workers will have to repay the tax benefit. Now, federal workers earning less than $100,000 per year, however, do not have the option to opt out of the payroll tax deferral. They're just being forced to take this small increase in their paycheck, knowing they're going to have to pay it back. Now, Congress can make the deferral permanent, which would save workers from having to pay back their tax benefit. But now, given the payroll tax is what funds Social Security, remember that. If this was a permanent thing, then that's taking the funds from Social Security. And that would not be a very good thing at all. Think about that. Now, some of my Republican friends say if Trump's elected, they maintain control. They can forgive it, but the Social Security administrators say we will then run out of Social Security much faster. They'll be forced to cut benefits next year. Now, I don't think that's not a good thing at all. We do not need Social Security or none of the programs in Social Security cut. There's a lot of people, millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of people depend on their monthly checks to live on, and they barely can do that. They can't even pay their bills. They can't even. It's still a struggle. I mean, this payroll tax cut thing is ridiculous. Now, We have no intention of having this cost one penny out of the Social Security Trust Fund, said Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin. He said the administration will replenish the payroll tax pot by working with Congress to move money from the Treasury's general fund. Now, in that scenario, he said American workers will no longer have to pay the government back. And if we pass legislation that this will come out of the general fund, it made Social Security 100% whole, said Mnuchin. This is money in people's pockets that they need right now. That is very important and very meaningful. Now, I just wanted to make this a short video. This payroll tax deferral is a bad thing. Yeah, President Trump signed executive order for that, and it took effect this week. But the thing of it is, guys, it might help you at the time, but when it comes time to pay this back, you gotta pay it back all at once. So you gotta think about something. Is it worth it? No, it's not. It's not worth it. So think about that. This payroll tax cut, they didn't tell you this when they passed it. They didn't tell you this when they done the executive order, that when they give you this extra money that you got to pay it back. They never said that, did they? They did not. No, that's right, they didn't. So remember that. You have to pay this back. So that being said, think about this, you all. This payroll tax cut is a lie. It's nothing but a lie. So, if you are one of those that gets this extra money, don't take it. Don't use it, because you will have to pay it back. I know it might be helpful now, but it could be more hurtful later. So think about that. And that's really all I got to say for right now. There should be some more news later tonight. If not, tomorrow I'll make some more videos. But guys, I appreciate it. And I appreciate you all's support. And guys, if you don't care, please hit the subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up and share the videos. I would really, really, really deeply appreciate it. You just don't know how much it would mean to me. I'm just trying to help you all the best way I can. And if there's anything you need to know, something about something in the government, anything about this stimulus, let me know. I'll see if I can find it, and I'll try my best to explain it. I'm not, all these other YouTubers is, they do what they do, and they try to help people, and I'm grateful for that. But I'm not no professional at this. I'm just trying to help the best way I can, and I like doing it. So that being said, just try to help me, subscribe and give me a big thumbs up and share the videos. And guys, I love you all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.